Hello, creative people. Welcome to my art corner. I'm Kathy, and I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, I hope you feel right at home, and to my returning friends, welcome back. Today, I thought I would explore the combination of a waterproof ink pen, high-flow acrylic, and even an elegant writer pen of a painting of a coyote howling with a large moon in the background. This will be on a canvas, which I have added to coats of gel. So, this will make the canvas smoother and will make it easier to use ink on the canvas. I have lightly outlined the coyote with a pencil. Graphite is difficult to erase from canvas, so be careful. I will have a pro tip near the end of the video about the best way to remove graphite from a canvas. So stay tuned for that. First, starting to outline the coyote with my waterproof ink pens. To make a circle for the moon, I used a saucer. If you could please hit the thumbs up button. It helps out my channel so much. Thank you. I'm starting adding in the fur, leaving white areas for the highlights. Alright, I'm done with the fur for now. Next, I'll work on the moon. I'll be using high-flow acrylics with water to dilute them and Posca pens. The look I'm going for is soft and hazy. I'll use my pens to first do some sketching. Now, I'm using my high-flow acrylic paint to add in the craters of the moon. This is going to be an abstract moon, so you won't see a man in the moon. Here, I'm adding some color to the fur to enhance some areas. Here's the pro tip. The best erasers for canvas pencil marks. Kneaded eraser. Best for light sketching. Gently lifts graphite without damaging the canvas. Doesn't leave crumbs. You can shape it to a point for detailed areas. Won't fully remove deep or dark marks though. Vinyl eraser, for example, Staedtler Mars plastic. Best for stronger erasing. Can remove darker lines better than a kneaded eraser. Use with a light touch to avoid damaging the canvas fibers. An electric eraser. Best for precision erasing. Removes stubborn marks, especially on gessoed canvas. Be careful not to overdo it. It can scrub off gesso if you press too hard. Gum eraser. Softer than vinyl, a bit crumbly. Decent for canvas, but not as effective as the above options. I decided that the back of the coyote should be more in shadow, so I'm darkening the area and adding heavier fur. I'm using different size pens to add heavy to fine fur for variation in the fur. To add to the abstract vibe, I'm adding water and the high-flow acrylics colors to run down the canvas. Extra tips. Gessoed canvas is easier to erase on than raw canvas. You're drawing before painting. Make sure it's primed first. Don't press hard when sketching. Light marks are easier to erase and won't indent the canvas texture. If ghost lines remain, they can often be covered with acrylic or watercolor ground. Well, there you have it, my howling coyote. Remember, use different types of mediums in your painting to achieve that unique look. Thank you for joining me. Hope to see you next time for more art exploration. Happy painting!